Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to save a previous IG story to your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to an iPhone, an Instagram application, so we can now bring the iPhone into the frame. Go to Instagram, click on the app itself, make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile, and then to access a previous story, click on the three lines on the right hand side of your page, your phone. Go to archive, click on this, and now you can see IG stories from yesterday, the day before yesterday, last week, last month. I'll just click on a story or photo and now click on more, save photo. Swipe down, go to your iPhone homepage, go to photos. Remove out the photos, go back to photos again, go to camera roll. And here we have the story that we posted a couple of weeks ago, now saved to camera roll on your iPhone. Go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now.